Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you liked all my recent videos. And this video about Amazon Alexa Fire TV stick, and in this video I'm going to explore its unboxing and how to connect this device to your smart TV or a normal monitor or a normal TV. Finally its overview. So do watch this video fully. So let's get started guys. This is the Amazon Fire TV stick with the Alexa voice remote control, and this is the product looks like. And here are the supported services. It supports the Firefox, Netflix, and Woot. Also it supports Prime Video, Geo Cinema, Amazon Prime Music, some next. And this Amazon Fire TV stick supports with the Alexa voice recognition, and also it gives output up to 1080p resolution, and it has Dolby audio feature. And this device is powered by quad-core processor up to 1.3 GHz, and this has a Wi-Fi standard of 802.111 AC. And here are what are the accessories included in this Amazon Fire TV box. And also here it mentioned what it's needed. And basically to connect this Amazon Fire TV stick, you need a high internet speed and a HDMI port. Now let's unbox this device. After opening, it has a black color box. It looks different and also quite good. First of all, it comes with the Amazon Fire TV stick user manual and about the product information. Then it has a Amazon dedicated voice remote control manual, and this is a micro USB cable, and the cable length is long. And this is the HDMI extender, and this is used to transform the standard HDMI port. And using this HDMI extender, you need to connect to the your monitor or a smart TV. This HDMI extender has been used to improve the Wi-Fi connectivity. Then we have a Amazon adapter. Then it has a two AAA batteries for the remote, and this is the dedicated remote control. This is the Amazon Fire TV stick remote control. Also it is a second generation remote control. The remote is actually looks pure black, and also it is light in weight. It comes with a dedicated voice recognition button, and using this you can easily communicate with the Amazon Fire TV stick and using this dedicated button. And using this remote you can control your smart TV by you can adjust the volume up and down. Also you can power on and off your smart TV using this remote also. And this is the main device, so called Amazon Fire TV stick. And here is the power source for the Fire TV stick. This is the standard micro USB port, and using this you can connect to the power source. Guys, after unboxing you'll get three essential accessories, and the one is already told, it's a micro USB cable. This is the Amazon Fire TV stick, and a power adapter, and this is a HDMI extender. Finally, this is a Alexa remote with two AAA batteries. So the first thing you have to do is this is a Amazon Fire TV stick, and using this stick here, this is the source for the power. To connect to the source, you have to use this micro USB cable. Just connect this micro USB cable to this and plug this power adapter to the power source. Then you have to use this HDMI extender. First you have to connect this Amazon Fire TV stick to this HDMI extender, and you can connect this extender to a smart TV or any monitor which supports a HDMI port. Guys, now I am connected this Fire TV sticks to the power source. After connecting with the HDMI extender, I am now using this Samsung monitor. This is a basics 23-inch monitor. Also keep it mind in that and you can use this Fire TV stick in any smart TV. Also you can use it in your monitors, but you have to need only one thing, that you have to need a HDMI port. Now I am going to connect this HDMI extender to this my Samsung monitor, and after connecting this, now it started initializing. First of all, choose your language. I am choosing English India. After that, it's scanning for Wi-Fi network, and of course you need a good internet connection. If you have a good internet connection, it's best for user who need to convert a normal TV into a smart TV. After connecting to the network, the Amazon Fire TV stick has started updating the latest updates. Now it's initializing and finishing the update. Now it's asking for your Amazon account. You have to sync your Amazon account to proceed further. The initial setups are already, it's now almost completed. To get started, you can select now each services you need as per your wish. That's it guys, and this is the home page of the Amazon Fire TV stick. Now it asking for to pair this Amazon voice assistant dedicated remote. To pair the device, you have to press the both the volume and minus button simultaneously, and after that just press OK, and this remote is successfully paired with the Amazon Fire TV stick. And here you can already see that's Amazon Prime Video, and is it also having the internet net connection, and Amazon Music. Also it has an official YouTube application pre-installed with the Amazon Fire TV stick, and you can watch thousands of movies and TV serials right from here. And this is actually a monitor, it's not at all a smart TV also. And in this monitor, if I'm having only one HDMI port, and it's enough for only one HDMI port. Using that one HDMI port, you can watch all your contents and thousands of movies, TV serials. Amazon Fire TV stick almost supports Amazon Prime, and supports Hotstar, Netflix, and Z5. Also you can download unlimited and thousands of apps in the Amazon store, and it has a dedicated section for apps. You can download any apps like Google Play Store, like you can Jio Cinema, Netflix, Eros, and you can also install apps like Asphalt, and other games also it's supported. You can easily play your games right from this remote, and it has a navigation control option, and using this you can play. Similarly, in case you have to watch this content like in Amazon Prime Video and Netflix, Hotstar, you have to pay for the subscription bill separately. And this Amazon Fire TV stick is only for to show you the HD content in a normal TV or a monitor. Other than the Amazon Fire TV stick is not providing a free subscription, it just providing good content in a high quality. Also this Amazon Fire TV stick comes with the parental control feature, and using this feature you can set the unique pin after enabling the parental control. So after enabled, to watch any content on this Fire TV stick like Amazon Video, or launching any application or watching any video, you have to put that pin to watch the content. Useful for if you're having any kids, mean you can control your kids by enabling this parental control. Also you can manage the parental controls passwords under the settings option. Likewise, as I already told, if you have a good internet connection, also if you're having a normal TV or a monitor with HDMI port, you can definitely buy this Amazon Fire TV stick. Using this Amazon Fire TV stick, you can watch thousands of movies and TV serials. Also you can play games and install apps manner. Also this Amazon Fire TV stick comes with the Dolby audio, so you can experience a good audio feel. Similarly, the visuals also supports up to 1080p full HD resolution. So all the content you are experiencing is like a cinematic, like what you are seeing in a theatrical experience, you will be experienced in this small monitor. That's all about this video, guys. In this video I am to show you about its unboxing and how to connect this device, and also I am given an overview of this Amazon Fire TV stick, and hope you guys like this video. And if you have any questions or any FAQ related this Amazon Fire TV stick, you can drop in the comments below. And thanks for watching this video, guys.